Hey, how's it going? It's Xavier, and this is what I like to do. I actually like to check out different cars. This one happens to be a 2024 Cadillac Escalade. This one is with the 6.2 V8 engine, produces up 428 horsepower. This one is on the black on black. I do have this one available, so you can actually check out the video description. It's got about 6,000 miles on it, so pretty good miles for the year. And just, walking around it, I always like to just show the car inside and out. Let's do the inside. Door handle's a little different. Got a little bud in the back of it. That's how you kind of open the door. It's a fixed door handle. Your beautiful wood trim on the car. I do like the stitching on the console area above. So here, I want to just show you little storage areas located in different places throughout the vehicle. And this is with the jet black interior. I'll come back and do the inside in just a little bit, but just want to walk around it, show you the silhouette of the car. And again, this is the Cadillac Escalade 600. So pretty much all these are optioned out, pretty nice. Obviously you can have the heated seats standard. You can have navigation standard on the car. But really what's most impressive is just the size. I drove this car. It's going to provide you a very quiet and smooth ride. And here's why. I'm going to show you the inside. Okay, so this is the inside of the car. And again, just very solid feeling on the car. And I'm going to do like a pan over from left to right here. I just want to show you these where the little buttons and icons are. And then just what the dash display looks like right in front of the driver. Buttons on the steering wheel. I'm going to show you how the navigation screen looks. And I'm going to pan down just a little bit so you can see the shifter. Some of the center console controls and the cup holders are located there. And just, hey, what it's like sitting inside the car. I'm going to pan to the back of the car. This one does have the captain's chair, so lots of room on this one. This is a big SUV, almost as big as they come. I do have additional details on it. It is available, so if you want to know more information about it, check out my video description. Thank you for watching.